case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1976, the landmark case of Jorgensen v. Pressnall established an important principle for consumer rights. If a purchased item fails within the expected performance due to significant defects, the buyer has the right to return it and reclaim their money. The case surfaced after the plaintiffs purchased a mobile home and financed it through commercial credit, only to discover a plethora of glaring defects such as faulty doors, cabinets, walls, and vents, in addition to persistent water and air leaks. Despite the prompt notification of these issues to the seller, Pressnall, the promised repairs were either delayed or unsatisfactorily executed. With the problems remaining largely unresolved and new ones cropping up, the plaintiffs felt forced to reject further repair attempts and reluctantly sought legal recourse. Following this tumultuous breadcrumb trail of disappointment and inconvenience, they demanded the return of their down payment and consequential damages, whilst also returning the mobile home. The seller, along with the financing company Commercial Credit, refused these requests, leading the matter to the trial court. The trial court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs against Pressnall, a decision further affirmed by the Oregon Supreme Court when Pressnall appealed. It upheld the plaintiffs' right to rescind their purchase, reclaim their down payment, and additionally recover damages from both Pressnall and Commercial Credit. Commercial Credit was also allowed to claim damages from Pressnall for the shared responsibility of the defective product. The decision manifested that the plaintiffs retained a security interest in the mobile home following the revocation of acceptance, in a bid to protect their financial interests. This case thus became a critical precedent in strengthening consumer rights, emphasizing the legal responsibilities of sellers to deliver quality goods that meet buyer expectations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.